Hi friends, and today topic is Java access modifiers and symbols, conditionals, logic operators. So many things. This video I will discuss, and this video very lengthy. Don't don't skip the video and watch till end. And previously I will explain data variables and object methods, data types and first program is all topics I will discuss very clearly. First of all, watch that video solve and next this video watch. And first of all, thank you for watching and please subscribe my channel. First, thank you so much for watching. And Java modifiers, Java access modifiers. Java language has a wide variety of modifiers including the following: Java access modifiers, non-access modifiers. Java providing number of access modifiers to set access level of classes, variables, methods and constructors. The four access levels are visible, the package, default, number of modifiers are needed, visible to the class, only private, and visible to the word public, visible to the package, all subclasses, protected. Java providing number of non-accessing modifiers to achieve many other functionalities. The static modifiers for creating class and methods and variables. The finally modifier for finalizing the implementations of classes, methods, and variables. The abstract modifiers for creating abstract classes and methods. The synchronized and voluntary modifiers, which are used for threads. Let's understand the access modifiers in Java by simple table. Okay. And access modifiers are four types: private, default, protect, public. And within the class y, y means yes, no, n means no. Private, within the class, accessing private accessing class. Default, accessing class. Private, accessing package, no. Private, default, accessing yes. Default modifier, package accessing yes, and private accessing subclasses no. Default modifier, accessing subclasses no, and private accessing outside the packages no, and default modifiers outside the package accessing no, and protected and public. Protected with access, protect modifier accessing the class yes, and public accessing the class yes, and protected modifier accessing the package yes, and public accessing the package yes, and protected also subclasses accessing, public also accessing subclasses, and protected outside the package accessing no, and public outside the package accessing yes. This is the main thing, is a public is a one of the best modifier, because all accessing modifiers are all type of packages classes accessing in public. As a reason is public is a wonderful modifier. And this time operators are so many types of operators is there. And basically this type of operators, Java providing rich set of operators manipulate variables values. We can divide java all the Java operators in the following group: arithmetic operator, relation operator, bitwise operator, logical operator, assigned operators, basic operators, and these are operators names, descriptions, examples. And plus addition, add together two values, and subtraction two values, multiplication two values, and division value another value, divide on another value, modules, return division remainder, plus increment and values by, and decrement values by, and operators. Example, x is equal to 5, same as x is equal to same, plus is equal to x plus is equal to 3, x plus is equal to 3. These are the same operators in the previous ways, and I will explain practically, and we will more understandable. And this is compromise operators and logical operators are there, and logical or logical not. I will explain practically. I'll do understanding more. I will create one project after and create one package, and after and I create one class. The class name is tc000013, and the name is methods, not methods, operators. I will enable public static void. I will create one project, and I am one simple program for now. Will create one a value 10 and b value 20 and c value 30. I will create three values, and I will create also in int static type values. Int x equal to 12, static int y 30, static int z 14. Three values I will create, and I will create one program, small program. I will create, and a plus b, a plus x equal to, and b plus y equal to, and c plus z equal to, and plus I will create one more, a plus b. This is a run family. B plus y, not a b, a plus x. Control S and just run it. I will create small program, and answer is 22, 23, 44. these are the operators plus operator is, and I will create multiple operators, and I will create division and plus, and I will create logical operator also. A to C. A equal to C is not printed, maybe is printed also. I will run it. I will run it false. False means is a wrong. I will. This is the false. Otherwise, I will throw it, and I will one more C and 0 control S. The answer is true. Answer is true. This is the logical and operators. So many operators are there. I will create this type of operator, and this type of and this type of are will explain soon, very soon. That means if condition are there, if condition is very usable for and logical or logical not, this type of answers equal to is not equal to, already you write it this type of answers. And also and let's this type of questions also I will learn it and see. So control space will a and plus a not plus a plus plus. A plus plus is increment. After increment this is false printed because a is incremented. That means a is not equal to c, and a and b decrement, and will also some experimental. Yes, um, not x and y. X is greater than y is a false. I will run it to see it on Raffle. See this, a is incremented and a plus plus, and a plus plus after a plus plus we create a plus plus. A is equal to c. Thus a is increasing. That's the reason is false statement is printed, and I will create a value. I will create a value and see this, a value is 11. A value is 11. That's the reason we creating false, and b value is 20. After decreasing b value, you run it, and 90, one value is decreasing, and this value is false. Why? Because x greater than y. X is 12 and y is 13. That's the reason, and I will change it. After change the change that and run it. This is true. The reason is true is a clear, and is a increment decrement and less than or greater than. I will one more error may will see to you, and y 13 y13 and y is less than or equal to z. Z is 14. Is last one is printed correctly or not? We'll show you. And is it true? Why? Because y is a less than, and y I will change it y value 14. After 14 I will change the y value, run it, and is also true. Why? Because is equal to are there. That's a reason is y is equal to is a true value. And I will remove this. After remove this is a false value. Okay, this type of operators are there in Java, and very useful operators are there, and we because wonderful operators. And let's do it some more examples to try own level. You try it and you get it a good answers, and practice more than operators measure key role playing in if conditions and loop conditions, and that's the reason you create you more practice in operators. And thank you for watching, and please subscribe.